Today we're gonna make one of our favorite game day dishes. We're gonna make our chili queso carne, and we're gonna season it with our Rocks coffee rub. To start this recipe, I turned on the Traeger flat rock to a medium-high heat and made sure it was properly seasoned with a little extra olive oil. Then I added 1 pound of ground beef, spread it apart with a large spatula, and chopped it up until it was browned evenly. After that, I placed it on a tray to cool. Now it's time to prep our ingredients. First, I sliced a block of Velveeta cheese in half to make it into a 1 pound block. Then I sliced the cheese from top to bottom to create thick slices. Next, I stacked these slices up and then cubed them into roughly 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch cubes. Doing this really helps the cheese melt quickly when you place it in the smoker, and it just overall speeds up that cooking process. With all the cheese cubes placed into the cast iron, I next added the brown ground beef. For this video, you can see I don't quite use the entire pound of the ground beef because I was also making a dairy-free version for my son and wife. The last ingredient is 1 can of Hormel no bean chili. Now to bring everything together and add that little bit of extra flavor, I used a heavy dose of our Smoked Q Rocks coffee rub before mixing everything together with a spatula. This recipe can be cooked on any number of outdoor cooking devices or even inside in something like a crock pot. But I love using the Traeger Ranger for this cook. It's small, versatile, and comes up to heat quickly. I ran this one at 325 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes until the cheese melts and then it begins to bubble. Once it's ready, grab some of your favorite tortilla chips and set them out for your friends and family to enjoy.